Are your messages moving fast or getting stuck in the queue? Struggling with queue backpressure, drop connection, and scaling headache? Unreliable messaging isn't just a bug, it's a business blocker. Ksolves offer RabbitMQ Consulting and 24/7 support. We design resilient clusters, optimize throughput and latency, and deploy securely with role-based access controls. Need custom plugin or seamless migration? We have got you covered. No risk, no downtime. Emergency response in under 1 hour with proactive monitoring and support packages tailored to your business. All delivered by certified RabbitMQ experts with custom builds, hands-on training, and enterprise-grade reliability. From queues to cluster, Ksolves keep RabbitMQ fast, secure, and scalable.